Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're working on this Land Rover Freelander 2.2 diesel P0102 mass or volume airflow, whatever you want to call it, and then P0110. So that turns out to be this sensor here, which is this here, the mass airflow sensor. What we recommend is OEM original. I don't know if you can see the coding. There you are. So make sure you get the same original sensor, MAF sensor. Change it. I would recommend you do so I'm using the King Bowl and K8 Pro. Do a MAF reset, that the oxygen sensor reset, adaptation reset, and that from there onwards you're good to go. It's a case of just undoing this bolt, that bolt, replace it, plug it in. You can do a plug and play, but we do recommend you do that as well. I mean, in your case, you could be losing power in limp mode and whatnot, engine management light on. But reality is, once you've done it, original, please, because if not, you'll be in the same boat and then drive off, really.